to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I am in Dollar Tree in their plus section. So let me go ahead and show you what they have. So here we have some scarecrows, okay, and all along the bottom, but look at these pumpkins. I love the size of them. Look at this. This one is the sweater one. Isn't that pretty? I like the sweater one. And these colors are really nice. So these here are $3. I'm still liking them. Here it is in the cream color, and they even have an iridescent one. If I'm not mistaken, here's a buffalo check one. Isn't that cute? And here's the iridescent one. And look, these are harvest cider candles. So I love these. These are $5. I like that size. Here we have some more pumpkins, and these are $3. Look at this. So you got this style, and these are pretty nice, guys. And those dark ones back there. So let's start over here. So you have the floor mat. Okay, these are runners. I think those are runners, guys. And then you have some tablecloths, different kind. Here's a sunflower one. And look at this. So you have some of these florals and this galvanized metal container. They have the darker colors. Here's the lighter one. Here's the sunflower one, guys. But look at this. These are some cheese boards, charcuterie boards. This one says blessed. This one says grateful. That is awesome. Then these, I like these as little accent pieces, and I believe these are $3. No, those are $5. Very nice. And these boxes I've always loved. Look at that. And they're already decorated for you. So nice. So they have the orange one back there. This one is more of the burgundies, and that's more of the green. These are the lanterns over here. I like this sunflower one. Yep, I do. What is this? So this one here says gather. Great boards, guys. Then you have the decorative pumpkins, and they do have that green color. And these are the baking cups. Aren't they beautiful? So you have some more decorative metal pumpkins, and these are more like on the glam side, and they're plastic, and they have an LED on the bottom, so they light up. So you have the pumpkins in silver and gold, and these. Then you have these cute little animal shelf sitters, they call them, the owl, the fox. Let's see. Oh, look at these. It's a nice game. I like the leaves. I think I might have bought this the last time I was here. And this is $5. So here you have the trays. Let's take a look at the trays, guys. So here are the baking cups. Okay, those are $3. Here's the tier tray. You cannot go wrong with these tier trays. They're wood tier trays. $5, guys. And you see how this one has the pumpkin? They do have the leaf. So this one is the pumpkin, and look, the leaf is right here. See the leaf up on top? So $5. These are great buys. These are the ones that I have in my window. And then here are the throws. So the picture here shows you how they look. And here's the brown one. I thought they had another one, the beige one. Okay. The cream color one. So those are $5. And then these I already showed you. These are beautiful. Some more of the leaves. Let's see. So you have some of these pumpkins. Some of the summer stuff is still in here. You can see this tray over here says gather. Oh, and I didn't show you this tray. So this one says here, hello pumpkin. Look at the size of this tray for $5. I can't really get to that white one, and I'm pretty sure it's that one down there. And I'm liking these pumpkins. These are broke. These are broke. But I'm liking these pumpkins, you know, to put around the house. Somebody must have dropped that one. Here's a sunflower. Okay. So I didn't do behind me. I think I'm going to go around. So again, you have some toys mixed in. You have some summer items they're trying to get rid of. Here's some more lanterns. You can't go wrong with those lanterns. And the planters. Look at these planters, unbelievable. The stools are over there. And these lights are nice. The lemon wreath is nice. So you have the laundry baskets and these plastic containers. You have these drinking bottles. I like these. So there's the pizza pan. I like those. And they do have fat quarters, guys. But these are in a pack and they're $5. They have candles, harvest cider, and that's $5. I like those candles and some more lanterns. I like these lanterns, guys, and they're only $5. This would cost more somewhere else. And here's the smaller version of that one. Okay, and then these are the hanging floating shelves. So that's pretty nice. So you got the canvases. Here's your crafting area. I'm still trying to find the resin. These metal flakes are good. What is this? Closed bracelet silicone mold. Mixing cups, and here's some glitter, and I like those accent florals. LED fountain. So I haven't seen the resin since they first opened it. I'm going to slowly turn around, and at least they have books now. Before they didn't have books for the longest time, but what a wreck. All right, so we have a variety pack. You know, this sounds good because it's 80 of the snack, 80 of the sandwich, 20 freezer, 22 quart, and 18 gallon. I think for $5, that's a good buy. What do you guys think? Paper plates and all the cleaning products. I just want to show you. I didn't come in really to buy any of this, but I like showing you guys what they have. Then you have your throw pillows over here. I believe in naps. Me too. Then I can vouch for their washcloths, especially the pack right here. This pack right here, 20 for cleaning, $5. Then you have the shower liners. These are heavy duty, and I like these. Look at how cute this is. So you have the Big Mac and fries. Here are the wall leaners. And some more toys. And of course, this section over here is these stretch pants, the leggings. You have the graphic socks, and you have some audio stuff over here. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the $5 plus section. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.